Pennsylvania. Where's the station? That's the point of the game. Alright, California staying on to Pennsylvania. And I thought it was gonna work, but it worked. For some reason, exactly. Nebraska, okay, thankfully that's mandatory. Exactly. Oh, unbalancing, almost. And I'm gonna this might be hard. I might drop California. Maybe has to bounce. Well, I'm gonna bounce Maine over here. Hopefully California doesn't catch us. I thought California was good. Michigan. Thankfully, I survived. Yep. Why are you eating Pennsylvania? Because they like Pennsylvania? But regardless, you shouldn't eat Pennsylvania. Exactly. What is going on? Also, I don't know anything. Oh no. Okay, now Florida. We're gonna construct states that I'm staying on borders, you know what? Let's end it. Yes. Okay, let's Colorado, landlocked U.S. state. Well, excluding rivers. Yeah. I'm in Louisiana. I believe it goes to Mexico. Here up front, three. You can Great Lakes, Mississippi River. Or Yay! I border the Pacific. I'm gonna the finish line. I will. I'm Mississippi. I'm just kidding. It's Mississippi, not Mississippi. I'm gonna push you, Washington. I'm just kidding. I'm nice. I wouldn't push you. Alabama, yes. Alabama. No. Okay, that was it. Okay, fine. The requirement is you should border the Outlander. What do you think? Oh no, I'm fine. I'm just kidding. Oh wait, hold on. My device is I'm gonna go charge my device. That's Virginia does the Atlantic stuff. Indiana is not political H or Mississippi River or the Pacific River. And Delaware, the first state. No, that's not what I wanted to do. What other questions? Don't tell me the questions are slower. I think they are. Oh, come on! Massachusetts, the state. That's because I don't think I want to connect with you, so I just connect with another. But that's because it's its name. It's Connect. Okay. So, Mexico. Where did Virginia go? Oh, that was good. Finale, I do not have to. Okay, that was weird. Let's see who's next. Is Delaware moving? I think Delaware is moving. Or maybe it's Connecticut. Idaho, you are a landlocked US state. Do not border any of the requirements. Exactly. That's true. Yeah. New Hampshire is just stuck there. Yeah. South Carolina borders the Atlantic. North Carolina does the Atlantic. So combine with Indiana. It's a good balancing state. So that we win. But no, New Jersey, you're pushing Carolina. And I'm North Carolina. I can stop that. I can stop it. Everybody stop! Yeah. Alabama on back and stuff. Florida. Then no, you're not going to do it, Alabama. No, South Carolina and New Jersey. Oregon. Bounce. Balance, not balance. Why did you still think I was like, oh my god, Arizona. I'm gonna get New Mexico. New Mexico!
Ready, set, go!
Minnesota, we're gonna go Canada. I'm not kidding, Texas is here, we're gonna combine with itself. No, stop the war! Yeah, what is it? Oh no. Just going. Colorado, let's go. Let's make this an explosive value. Why am I making? I have absolutely. One here. So yeah. Let's make it with me. Oh no, they're moving, they're getting closer than me. Oh no, I'm doomed. I'm scared. No, you're not. Screw drive. What does Delaware do? Because we can only see Delaware specific, in specific parts when none of Virginia has moved. California! Oh. Anyway, Virginia, North Carolina border. Yeah. I did not mean to click it! Great! But I'm Illinois. Oh no. Oh, we're good. Well, this is an explosive valve here, so we should fall. I just well, Florida. We're gonna go. Okay, that was the first reaction time I've ever done. Hopefully my game doesn't crash. If it does, then this video will get deleted. Exactly. I'm Maryland in the... Oh no, what? Whoa. It's Missouri, Virginia, Maryland, and California are all amazing. But for some reason, they're not exploding. Yeah, that's... I'm Kansas City, Missouri. Missouri. Oh my god, what did you do? I nearly said Hawaii. I'm New Jersey and stuff. I'm the first state in alphabet so you should respect me. There we go, then I will do something else. I'm trying to keep this shit coming, okay? Okay, but Alabama and Wisconsin won't stop wiggling. Yeah, I will forgot about the wiggling. Wait a minute. Did Alabama say wiggle around? I don't know. I just put on the picture then. Like from the that's crazy. Plus it's 12 minutes. Plus the video is 12 minutes. Oh my god. Let's go. I'm Florida and I'm gonna connect with Alabama. No, Delaware! Delaware is inside of Florida. Like, that's okay. I know he's inside of Florida, so that's okay. What? That's just weird. I'm New Mexico. No, Connecticut! Oh. Also, I have no idea if I'm getting this. I'm Virginia and I'm yeah, I'm in October, I'm sorry, I told you already, I'm in Alabama. I don't live in Nevada, okay? I'm in Nevada. Yeah, look at us! Yeah! Mississippi and stuff. I'm gonna connect with Alabama. But I'll do the stuff off. You just know. Oh my god! They're laning. Oh no, they're going to fall. They're going to fall. Alabama's going to fall. No, New Hampshire! Oh no, Wisconsin's going! And now my name is... That's good. New Hampshire. I'm stuck there right now! Where is Georgia Electron? You have no idea. I'm Kentucky, anyways, hey Virginia, good. You need to get out of my flight. Oh my god. The checkerboard is getting load. I go! I'm gonna connect with Nevada. You just make everybody fall, including mine. Vermont and I'm gonna bounce onto here. Yes, that's right. Oh, wait, no, wait, this is Hawaii. Hawaii, what did you do? Yes, we're just here. I'll just. Oh my God. No, let me just turn the pressure on it. Exactly. Washington, one, two. You're the 10th most in the US. I need to get out of here. Safe. I don't mean to offend anyone. Alright. I don't know what. Woohoo! Yes! Alright, let's see what I'm gonna get. I wanna get you next.